Hello everybody and welcome to another episode. In today's episode I'm going to show you how to remove the front bumper from a Toyota Avensis from the year 2006 and up. The reason why I'm removing the front bumper on this car is because I want to polish the headlights, and in order for me to polish the headlight very well, I like to remove the headlights completely from the car. So on this car, normally you won't be able to remove the headlights without removing the front bumper first. So this is what I'm going to do right now. I will remove the front bumper. So I decided to make a video, guys, and show you how to do it yourself at home and with normal tools. First, what you'll have to do is to lift the hood up and remove this plastic from the top of the bumper. You'll have to remove it from the right side, and after that you'll have to remove the little one from the left side. It's only holding in by some plastic clips. You'll have to use a flat screwdriver and push them up, and it will come out very easy. On this car, as you can see, the clips are mostly broken and I don't have to worry about them, but when I'm going to install everything back together, I will put some new clips on this vehicle. So after you're done with removing the plastic covers from the front bumper, you'll have 3 bolts here at the top. You'll have one in the right side, after that you'll have one in the left side, and you'll have one in the middle. And those bolts, normally you'll have to use a 10mm socket to remove them, but depends from car to car. Maybe the owner replace them and it will be a different size of tool, but you will have to figure out later. After you're done with removing the bolts from the top of the bumper, you'll have to go to the sides, and you'll have one bolt on each side under the protection shield from the wheel. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So you'll have to go on each side. First I'm going to remove it from left side, and you'll have to pull this plastic out. You'll have to create a little space, and you'll have to put your 10mm socket inside there and remove the bolt, or I think it's even a Torx 13 bolt. So this is what you'll have to remove on this side and also onto the other side. As you can see, on this side it's exactly the same. I'm going to pull this plastic just a little bit to create me some space, and I'm going to remove the bolt which is holding the bumper mounted onto the fender. After you're done with removing the bolts from each side, normally you'll have a few bolts under the bumper which is holding the shield from under the engine mounted onto the bumper. So you'll have to remove also the bolts from under the bumper in order for you to remove the bumper completely from the car. Right now I'm not going to remove the bolts just yet. I'm going to pull the bumper out, and this is how you have to pull it. Don't pull it too hard because it can break, but you'll have to put a little tension on the sides in order for you to make the bumper come out from the clips. After that, I recommend you to don't pull the bumper completely, because if you have fog lights, the fog lights have some cables behind them and the cables are very short. So you'll have to disconnect the cables first, and after that you'll have to remove the other bolts from under the bumper and remove it completely from the car. So as you can see, this is how it's looking, and this is the cable which I'm talking about. You'll have one cable on this side and you'll have another cable on the other side. As you can see, this plastic part from under the bumper, it's mounted on the bumper with a few 10mm bolts, and you'll have also to remove those bolts in order for you to make space and in order for you to remove the bumper completely from the car. I'm not sure if you can see it, but I will turn on the flashlight and I hope you can see the bolt which I'm talking about. This one, this is the bolt. And after we remove all of those bolts, the bumper will come out completely from the car. This is all you have to do. This is how to remove the front bumper from a Toyota Avensis from the year 2006 and up. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video and found it informative, please leave a like and comment down below.